Tucked away in the quiet neighborhood, this home sits on a 30-50 plot. With a towering Spathodea tree at its entrance. This plot overlooks onto a serene park that reminds us of Bangalore's fading identity as Garden City. We wanted to make this green pocket a part of life, bringing in greenery, openness, and sense of ease, just like the Bengaluru we all remember. Homes on urban plots are usually assumed to be cramped and restrictive. So we wanted to change this notion. Hence we named this house Avinya, which means innovation. Hi, this is architect Rutvik Prakash, founder at Architecture Saga. Before I begin, to watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with detailed drawings, project details, and many more, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. This residence is for a family of 4. The brief was very simple. They wanted a 4-bedroom house. In order to achieve the privacy and get the connection to the park, which is right opposite, we wanted to raise the entire house by 10 feet. A road level was actually used completely for parking. So the pedestrian entrance is through a series of stairs that comes to a veranda right in front of the house. From veranda, it transitions into a foyer. And all the services and utilities like the lift and then the powder room and kitchen and utilities were tucked away towards the side. This also ensured we got an unobstructed view towards the park for a larger chunk of areas that became our dining and living, which became kind of an interconnected space. And to achieve some amount of privacy between the interconnected living and the dining, we introduced curved stairs in center, which also acts like a visual barrier. The railing that we used, we didn't want it to continue until the top rail. We kind of wanted to give a tiny gap in between where it kind of creates floating effect kind of a thing for the handrail. So after handover, I revisited this site and then I saw the client's daughter where she was using this circular curved stairs as a slide when there was a lift right next to it. This living in turn connects to a large balcony towards the park, and this has got a complete sliding door, which kind of once open, living room becomes a larger space with balcony together, and it blurs the line between the outdoor and the indoor. The curved staircase leads us to a second floor lounge area, which in turn connects to a guest bedroom towards the southeastern side and a study area towards the northeast quadrant. And this in turn connects to a balcony in the northeast. And towards the southwest, we have a junior master bedroom with walk-in wardrobe and a toilet. This staircase leads us to a family living in the third floor that in turn connects to a daughter's bedroom in the eastern quadrant and master bedroom in the southwest quadrant with a walk-in wardrobe and a toilet. Since we wanted to connect most of our indoor spaces to the park, so we went in with large fenestrations towards the east. And the next question was regarding privacy. And to get some amount of privacy and block direct views from the road into the house. At some places we had to introduce some sort of a screen. So then we went in with these wooden screen and layered with landscape. And again, why we used wood as an element in the elevation was again to blend with the surrounding context and to follow the design concept of tropical modernism. Our philosophy at Architecture Saga has always been connection of the design or space with its surrounding context. Here in this project, we could achieve it through bringing in nature in different ways. This is what makes a house a home.